This one for Jinx Reacts off the top of the brain. Happy hour first run, we had to drop it insane. Let's go.
All right, everyone, welcome back to Jinx Reacts. I am Gina Winks, and today I am reacting to the Patreon requests. Right now, I will be reacting to how to play A Flock of Seagulls, I Ran, So Far Away, with the original band members. And I like this little blurb that the description says, there may be a lot of YouTube videos on how to play 80s classic, how to play I Ran out there. But did you ever wonder how it's really done? All four original members, Mike Score, Ali Score, Frank Maudsley, and Paul Reynolds, show you how. Well, I am very intrigued. And this is thanks to a request from our friend and producer, Brian, aka Night Flyer. So let's fucking go. Check this out. Let's see what happens here. I'm very curious.
Ready, go.
Hi, this is Mike Score from A Flock of Seagulls. You've seen lots of YouTube videos about how to play I Ran. Well, this is how it's really done.
Ooh, a little factoids. English Penny as a pick. Were you? I can't. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to read all these out loud, but follow along and read these tidbits, these little nuggets, because they're fascinating. Also, I might actually change where my camera is for a moment. I need to be able to read this. And I had to move my camera to do so. Okay. Yeah, that can you stay in. I don't care. Anyhow. He doesn't have the crazy hair anymore, so that's funny. No, he does not. It's very much not there anymore. That's okay too. All right, let's go. We got it fixed. I officially can read everything that I need to be able to read now. Let's go. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Got the tabs and everything. Ah, such a... Ah, so good. Guitar effects delay, 308 milliseconds, nice. Oh, this is so cool. Oops, I just accidentally sang out loud. Y'all don't want to hear that. I'll be careful about that. so cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is just so good. One just a extremely iconic song. First of all, um, you know, yeah, just that's it. Extremely iconic. Um, a fantastic song from that era, and like, there's so many different things that come to mind when I hear this song, and I don't even have, I don't have those like memories connected to them like other people would, but I think of different movies that I've seen and things like that that feature, well, this song especially, like I was gonna say Flock of Seagulls, but this song especially, it's just iconic. Like, you can't not have heard it, I feel like, if that makes sense. Even probably the little kiddos, like even my kids' generation has probably heard this, if they've watched the right movies at least. It don't matter if I was born yet. Cohen said, I'm pretty sure you weren't born yet. It don't matter. I still know it because it's that good. If it was, I don't know what year it was. I just know that it was in the 80s, yeah. I may have been an infant or not yet, but that's okay. I was also not even born yet when Back to the Future came on or came out in the theaters. And yet that is my all-time favorite movie. So I often feel like I could have definitely, like, I feel connection with the people that were like teens and 20s in the 80s, even though I was just a little jinx. Oh, Paul looked it up and it was 82 when this came out. Yep, I wasn't born yet. That's okay. I know it and I like it and I love that. Talk about legends and like icons in the music world. And they probably would have never thought that. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong about that, but so cool. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I have to like stop just to read because I don't read super fast. This is fascinating. They have the whole setup of the different gear they use. Intro drones and synth bass and a cork delta for strings and pad sounds. This is so cool. Nice. I love that.
Easy when you know how.
How cool. That was fun. What a fun way to go about a how-to video with the original peeps and with little factoids in regards to exactly what gear they used. Yes, please. And Paul had mentioned that the song had a resurgence when it headlined the GTA Vice City soundtrack. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I love GTA. I had to have played Vice City at some point. Anyhow, Gwen said they should put this on Guitar Hero. It probably was. I remember playing Guitar Hero in college. Anyhow. And Rock Band as well. I was horrible. Anyhow, way up. I digress. Thank you to our friend Brian, aka Night Flyer, for this really fun how-to video via a Flock of Seagulls themselves, and with all the lovely audio geek gear tech info. I love it. I appreciate you. Thank you. I went ahead and subscribed and liked the video. You should do the same. If you like what you see here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment. I read every single comment. I can't reply to them all. And I truly love to hear what you guys have to say. It makes me happy. And it kind of just blows my mind every day. So I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. And I will see you on the next one.